Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll be guiding you all through some of the best mastering plugins which are used during mastering session by various music producers and mastering engineers around the world. So, buckle up and enjoy the lesson. Okay, guys, first thing first, we have to know what kind of plugins are required for track mastering. We all know mastering is a very extensive task and it should be carried away by the professional mastering engineer. But if we want to do it by ourselves, then at least we have to pick out the professional tools very carefully. I will be showing you all some of the very professional plugins which are very precise in terms of mastering. They all do their job very precisely when it comes to mastering the track. Quality no compromise and accuracy fully checked. Market is flooded with thousands of plugins, and in between we have to look for really professional ones for the mastering task. So let's check out the plugins for the job. As you all can see that we have got 7 different categories for plugins over here, and each is special in its term. We have to look for special mastering plugins which fall in these categories. So let's check out the plugins I use for mastering and to which category it falls. Okay guys, first in the raw is the famous Isotope Ozone plugin. No doubt it's one of the famous one-stop solution for track mastering. Isotope Ozone is loaded with almost every basic tools which is necessary for track mastering. If you all want to keep it straight and simple, then Isotope Ozone is must have for you guys as it will execute the task very easily. The interface is very simple to operate and the output is professionally strong. I do use it many times in my projects for mastering as my clients ask me to master it using Isotope Ozone. But still, it is up to you guys how you want to do the mastering, as there are many different options available out there and Isotope Ozone is definitely one of them. Okay guys, next in the raw are the selected wave plugins for mastering, and trust me guys, they are really worth to have it in your studio. They are very simple to use and no doubt the output quality will amaze you all. Sometimes I want to keep it simple when mastering and sometimes there is client demand for wave plugin, so I mostly end up using them. Waves got some impressive brand value in the market and I love working with their products. They have got wide variety of plugins range, but for mastering tasks I have got the selected plugin sets because they are best at what they are named after. So guys, again, choice is up to you all as all these plugins are very professional and their output is outstanding. So let's check them out one by one. Okay guys, the next in the raw are my favorite set of plugins from various vendors. These plugin sets are very precise when it comes to mastering. I use them for their special function, accuracy and tonal quality. Individual plugins give you a wide variety of options when you are dealing with some impossible task. But trust me guys, these plugins from selected vendors are the highly recommended ones, especially for track mastering. You guys have to use it in order to learn their capabilities. They are highly priced, but no doubt they are the best you all can get in the market. There are many other plugins available out there, but these are my personal picks as I am in love with them. Guys, at least learn about these plugins before investing on them, as they are highly priced and the tools they provide are quite advanced. For the beginner, I will not recommend these plugins as mastering is a slow learning curve. You all guys can start from iZotope Ozone, then gradually move to these advanced plugins slowly. So let's check them out one by one. That's all guys. Hope you all now have a better understanding on professional mastering plugins. So let's move on to the next lesson.